In this video we're going to solve x squared minus 9 is less than or equal to 0. So we're going to solve a quadratic inequality by the method of sketching. So first step is to sketch y is equal to x squared minus 9. We forget about the inequality and just sketch that. So best way to sketch it, and emphasis on the word sketch, this is not an accurate plot. So finding where it cuts the axis, for the x-axis, y is equal to 0, because the x-axis is the line y is equal to 0. So we put x squared minus 9 is equal to 0, so we have to solve that. If we solve it by factorization, we know that a squared minus b squared is a plus b, a minus b. So it gives x plus 3 times x minus 3 is equal to 0. And that gives that either x is minus 3 or x is 3. So draw yourself a set of axes, labelling the axes x and y. We'll put on minus 3, 0, and 3, 0. Now for the y-axis, x is equal to 0, so we're going to have 0 squared minus 9 is equal to y, so y is equal to minus 9. And we'll plot that on our graph at minus 9. Now we need to draw a curve that goes through those points. No, the important thing about quadratic that it is symmetrical, so the lowest point of the graph will in fact be minus 9. So drawing the graph and labelling it at one end. Now we are solving x squared minus 9 is less than or equal to 0. So we'll want to know where the graph is negative. Well, above the axis the line is positive, the curve, is positive. So we want to know that here the curve is negative, and that is between minus 3 and 3. Because we are including 0 as well, so we put a dot here and shade in the region, a dot here and shade in the region, and join them up. So the resulting answer is that x must be greater or equal to minus 3, but less than or equal to 3. So what we are saying that the graph of this of x squared minus 9 will be negative or equal to 0 between x is greater than or equal to minus 3 or less than or equal to 3. So this has been a video to show you how to solve a quadratic inequality. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.